This video shows how to install the Wi-Fi adapter for the Xerox VersaLink B415 multifunction printer. Press the power button, then touch Power Off. To prevent personal injury, unplug both ends of your power cord. Remove the Ethernet cable. Then remove the screw and the Wi-Fi port cover from the rear side of the printer. Unbox and insert the Wi-Fi adapter into the rear port of the printer. Install the Wi-Fi adapter shield and secure it with the screw that was removed earlier. Plug in both ends of your power cord and power on the printer. On the home screen, touch Login. Login required pop-up. Enter the username and click Next. Then enter the password and click Done. On the home screen, touch Device, then select Tools. On the Tools pop-up, touch Network Settings, then select Network Connectivity. Choose Wireless Connection on the Network Connectivity window. The Wi-Fi adapter wizard appears. At the prompt, touch Continue to Wireless Install. If your wireless network appears in the list, select it. Enter the password if needed. Follow the prompts to connect to the network. For more information, read the System Administrator Guide.